Hi everyone, my name is Tiffany Valdeweza and I'm your instructor for the PE 102A, B, C, and PE 268 A, B, and C PE course. It's actually a combined course for half credit for the summer. Just wanted to take you through a brief orientation regarding the class. So just to start from square one in order to access Canvas. Most of you guys know how to do this, but just want to take you through it in case you don't. What I normally do is go to quick links, go to Canvas, and then it'll ask you for your login info, which is going to be your the letter of your first name, your last name, and then the last 3 digits of your ID number, and then usually your default password is your 6-digit birth date, and then they'll have you reset it. So if you have any trouble accessing Canvas, please send me a message and then I can help you out with that. But the course that I'm teaching for this summer is going to be beginning fitness training, and like I said, it should have all the class info here. You click on here. It's actually the Walking for Fitness class as well. They're all combined. And it'll take you to my homepage, which just has some general information, links to the announcements, the syllabus, and instructor info. If you have any questions, always you can contact me via email here, or also you can always send me a message through inbox on Canvas. I usually answer that pretty quickly. And then I want to take you through, I'm going to put it in student view for us so you can see what I see. And then I'm going to take you through, most of the assignments are going to be in modules right here. So if you click modules, everything is going to be set up in little sections. So I've got the syllabus info. The only thing that I need for you guys to do this week is take the syllabus quiz. And then here's just a ton of links on how-to instructions, how to navigate Canvas in case you need more help with that. There's a couple of apps that I prefer us using this summer, which is going to be the Nike Run or Strava app, examples of different fitness logs you can use, adding the instructor on Nike, which I'll talk about in a moment, using your smartwatch to track your fitness, all of that stuff. And then you've got like a pre and post assessment protocol, so just kind of get an idea of where you started for before the summer to where you ended up after the 5 weeks, and then or is it 6 weeks, I think, and then just your fitness goals, your assessment of goals, and then your weekly assignments, which is going to be the bulk of what you need to turn into me. So you've got 6 logbooks here, so you're going to turn 1 in per week, basically of showing about 4.5 hours worth of exercise per week. And then here's some optional surveys if you need to gain some extra points. If you might have missed a survey or an assignment or two, you can always do those as well. So this class is going to be very much self-paced. It's going to be self-directed. I'm here to support you and help you out with whatever you need. However, I want you guys to kind of come into your own as far as creating your own workout routine. I've also provided, if you keep going down, different types of workouts that you could do, just some suggestions. This Metaconda workout's a pretty good workout. It's like 35 minutes, but it's like a high intensity interval training type workout. And then you've got all these little like kind of like CrossFit WODs that you could do. And these are just suggestions. If you don't know what to do, you can just, click one of these and work out to it. I've also provided, I don't know how well these will play on your computer, but Insanity, I've got the T25s right here, and then I've got the regular Insanities right here. These are really great high intensity cardio conditioning workouts. If you want to do those as well, you have those options. Okay, so I'm just overloading you with work or workouts so you have options to do them. And then just wanted to talk to you a little bit about expectations for the class. So the main expectations are just filling out your weekly fitness logbook. There's a couple of different options to do this though. So you could either fill out the weekly logbook, or if you have a cell phone, you can follow me on Nike or Strava, and basically all of the work you do on there, you just make sure you share you share your information with me on Strava or Nike, and if you work out from there, you can just send me the info straight from your phone and I can check it that way as well, so you won't need to turn in a fitness logbook. But if you want to just turn something in on paper, that's fine as well. Your information is going to be right here of what I'd like to see on the logbook, like what your format should look like, and an example of a good fitness log. Here's a kind of a log entry that someone might have uploaded that was acceptable. And then to submit it, you're just going to click this blue button right here to submit your assignment. I did leave some extra links in case it help you, in case you want to put your fitness log into this type of format. What I encourage is that you, so for example, if you're doing a fitness log, you can click here. And this is something I use for some of my other classes. What I would do is just click here, File, make a copy, and then you could just rename it, you know, I'll name it Tiffany's CCC Summer Fitness Log. Just click OK. So then I have my own copy. And basically all you have to do is once you have your link in your copy, you're just going to keep filling this out. If you notice at the bottom, right here, you'll have weeks 1 and 2 on this page, weeks 3 and 4 on this page, and then weeks 5 and 6 on this page. So what I would encourage is if you have like this is your main template, just keep uploading this link and you can keep adding on to your fitness workouts. And like I said, it could be anything of your choice. This is one that I use because you can put you can list your different exercises. I think I've got like 11 spots. Obviously you don't have to do all 11, but just it's something to fill out. And then I've even got like an optional like type of ab circuit you can try to work on doing some different abs. And then you could just fill it out. Like, so say you worked out, you know, twice a week and that equated to 4.5 hours, just write it in here. And then week 2, same thing. And then the great thing about doing this summer fitness log this way is when you click share, make sure that you change the link so it's anyone with the link can view it, and then copy the link. You'll hit done, and then when you go back to your assignment, when you hit the submit button, once you hit the submit button, it should take you to these options here. So you can do file upload, text entry, or website URL, media, studio, all these options. Just click website URL and then just paste it in and then hit submit assignment, and your Google link, it kind of gives you a little celebration screen. It automatically will post it in there. What I would do, to be honest, would be go back to all the assignments. And now that you have that link and you continue to fill that out, I would just go to the next, actually, I'm going to go to modules. I would go to all of the fitness logs and just go ahead and insert your link. And then every time you update that sheet, it'll update automatically in the assignment. So that way if you already just go ahead and insert your links now, you've already submitted your assignment. So at the end of so in case you ever forget, you can always go back on the back end and you can submit your assignment. So if I click website URL there, go ahead and paste the same link in, submit, and then it'll show you. So basically, if I did that with all of them, I know I'm sending a blank fitness log right now, but all I have to do is go to my actual fitness log, fill it out here, and then it'll automatically upload in Canvas. It'll update every time I fill this out because the link is always live. Okay, so that's kind of a little trick you can do when you're doing the fitness logs. The other option is if you decide to do like the Nike Run Club runs. If you don't want to just post your runs on the app, you want to send me screenshots, you could do that as well. Same thing. You'll just click File, make a copy, change it to your name. You put your first and last name, whatever you want, and then let's just hit OK. So then it becomes my own copy, and then this is where you can post up your screenshots. So what I normally do, it's easiest for me, is I'll take a screenshot of my run after I'm done on my phone. I usually email it to me, and then I save it, open my email, save the photo on my desktop. When you go to insert image, I just keep a folder on my desktop. So I'll upload from the computer. Then you can just go look for your photo that you emailed to yourself and maybe save it on your desktop. So let me just find a photo here. I think I have some running photos that I saved. So for example, like this one was one of my running photos. Obviously it would have to be the one that you did for that previous week or for that specific week. So you just click open and it automatically loads into week 1. Okay, so this is, say I just ran, emailed it, uploaded, then I put this run on there. And then the following week, or you put as many photos as you want. I worked out for an hour this day. You just combine your hours, 4 hours or whatnot. Week 2, same thing, just combine all your screenshots. These are kind of huge. You can just minimize them a little. I don't need to see a poster size, but you can just combine all of your runs onto like one screen. And then at the end of so every time you've worked out, you just keep uploading the same link, and I can see week 3, 4, 5, and 6, and so on. And then to do this, same thing as last time, you would just click the share button, change the link so the preferences are anyone can view it. If you forget to change that, that's okay. When I try to open it, it'll send you a notification to like unlock it for me. And then you just hit copy link, you're done. So then when you go into, and say you decided, hey, you know what, 1 week I'm going to do fitness, 1 week I'm going to do running, you can just upload when you go to your, you submit your log. You can go to like, say your, let's go to weekly logbook number, for the 3rd week, say you decided to just do all running that week, or if you want to do a little bit of both, you can always send me screenshots of both. So week 3 right here. If you wanted to upload, you just click start assignment, and then the website URL is going to be right here. You just upload that link to me, hit submit, and you're good to go. And then once I have that link, you can just keep updating, your workouts or whatnot. But you just make sure you give me the links. That's the easiest way to do it in case you ever forget to turn in your assignment on Sundays, is put the links up now and you can update it on your end later. And then the rest of the assignments that you have are going to be, if I click on assignments, they're all going to be here. Just remember, the rocket ship is your assignment, paper and pencil, or rocket ship's a quiz, paper and pencil is going to be an assignment. These are what you do need to submit. So you can go through all of these. You do have a pre and post test that you need to do. It's very similar if you already took the fitness center class. It's the same thing. It's going to be right here. Use this little assessment. These all have links and they tell you how to do each of the assignments. And then if you go to, this is where you're gonna put the pre-test. This is where you'll load the post, and then I've got links here. So like you can use this Google Sheet for to fill this out. And then what I like to do too is you do the same thing. Get the link, submit it already, and you can always fill it out later. That way you've already submitted your assignment, so it won't be late. And then refer to the how-to instructions regarding using Nike Strava and all these resources to complete your work. This is a fitness class. I want you to spend more time doing fitness than on the computer turning things into me. So if you have Nike Run, or download that, this will show you how to do this, or Strava if you plan to ride a bike. Strava is a really good app to use. If you have an Apple Watch, you can send me your info. We can share that way. I automatically get notifications when you do workouts, and I can keep track on my end electronically, so you don't have to turn in a fitness log every week. So this works really, really well if you want to do it that way. I'm trying to make it so it's more of a fitness thing for you as opposed to being behind a computer and sending me your fitness logs. If you have any questions, please feel free to jump on the Zoom later today. I have a Zoom from 3 to 3:30. I can also meet with you anytime. Just send me, my office hours are pretty much open by appointment only, so send me an email that you need to meet and I'll be happy to jump on a Zoom. I'll send you a link so we can go over the stuff in the course of the summer. Okay, I look forward to working with you guys this summer and hope to hear from you guys. Thank you.